I have $876 in total balance, $435 cashed out already, and $1,309 all-time earnings on this website. So first off, you need to go to this website, mindsumo.com. And before we proceed, I'm going to show you my earnings on this website. As you just saw, I have $876.92 total balance, $435.65 cashed out already, and $1,309.57 all-time earnings, without doing the hard work because it's done by a free software that I'm gonna show you in this video. So keep watching the video because you're about to be blown away. So this is how much MindSumo pays you just to complete each offer, and the offers range from anywhere between a few $100 to tens of thousands of dollars. Now when you get to the homepage of this website, you're going to see a lot of famous companies who are using this website to solve their problems and make good products. And these companies can pay you more than $1,000 for every answer you write on this website. But don't worry, you don't have to write anything, and you don't have to be knowledgeable about these topics. You just need to choose any questions you like and make money without doing the hard work. Let me show you how using a brand new account. Now watch carefully because the sign-up process is quite tricky. So just click on login or sign up right here and fill out all the basic info about yourself. But for creativity skills, marketing skills and technical skills, select high proficiency. Next, don't check the first 3 options, but instead, check the last 3 options and click login. So now our first step is done. Now you need to click on this button, I'm a problem solver. From there, it's going to take you to this page. Just scroll down and click on view current challenges. Here, you can choose any questions you like. Let me just pick this one. It's going to pay me $1,600. Now don't worry, you don't have to write anything. I am going to show you where you can get 100% plagiarism-free contents that can get you approved and make money like me. So for that, head over to this website, writecream.com. Writecream.com is a free content writing software that will write the whole article for you. So just come to this website, sign up, and this is going to be your dashboard. As you can see, there are a lot of options that you can choose. But for this specific strategy, choose this one, Article Writer. Now, just copy this from MindSumo and paste it here inside the topic box and click on Generate Ideas. As you can see, within a few seconds, it generates 5 ideas. Now, just click on Next Step. So as you can see, it generates 5 intros for us in just a few seconds, and every intro looks good. Let me choose number 2. After that, just click on Next Step. Now it's going to generate an outline for us, so just click here. As you can see again, 4 outlines. So let me choose the 4th one and click Next Step before clicking on Write the article. And that is it. As you just witnessed, within a minute, the software generated a plagiarism-free content for us. Now just copy it and paste it into Google Docs, and then you can just submit it to MindSumo and make a lot of money. So that's it for today, but if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn $11.71 every 15 minutes from Google Translate.